Hi everyone, it's me Wendy and I'm here to do an unboxing video of a cross-stitch package I received from VIPCrossStitch. Right now they have a special code going on, and if you add that to your cart you get more of a discount than you already get from the pages. I picked out 3 cross stitches and a little something else for myself, and I wanted to share with you what I received. And the website is VIPCrossStitch.com. All right, so let's see what we got here. I'm so excited. Now I've already opened the package because I wasn't expecting it today. A very nice surprise. And I actually cut a little bit of one of the tops off, not thinking it was what it was. So yay, it came. So excited. So first, look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, so we'll go with that one first. The other one's aside. Oh, this is the one I cut. It is beautiful. I think I'm going to work on this one first. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I cannot wait in the colors. We're going to check it out. See how the colors look. So you get your cover sheet. And these are Joy Sundays. You don't get the outside part, just the center, which I'm glad for. And then you get the pattern, which is the nice kind of glossy photo paper feel. I like these patterns. Very well colored. You can see it perfectly. And the colors, we have 17 colors, all of them full stitch. And these symbols do not match what is on the material, but I'm okay with that because I found in the past that I have trouble when I'm reading the material. Sometimes the pattern, the paper chart is hard to read as well, so I like it when they're different. So it's good. I like it. All right, so let's check this out. Okay, here's what it is. This is a 14 count. It is 31 by 31 centimeters. Oh, perfect size. Oh, I love this. I love it so much. Look at that. This is going to be so beautiful when finished. There's not a whole lot of detail, which I'm fine with. That's part of the reason why I ordered it. It's very simple, but very beautiful. Look at that. And the printing looks perfect. They even have green on green over here with the X's. Look at the beautiful X's there. You can tell that they're X's. Okay. Not gonna lie, I had to hurry up and do this video so I could start this one tonight. Okay, and the colors look just like the picture. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at these. They are gorgeous. Let's move this out of the way. Look at them. Oh, I cannot wait. They are going to be perfect. So many blues and the moon and the orange sky. Oh, a sunset. This one's a sunset. I don't know why I said moon. I have another moon one on the way. I couldn't help myself. Oh, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to get working on this one. It's going to be so fun. So yeah, that's what this one is. It is called Sunset 3 from VIPCrossStitch. Okay, through the magic of camera, this is our next one. Look at this Christmas scene. This is called Christmas Eve 3. This is also a 14 count, and it's 31 centimeters by 31 centimeters. It's beautiful. Now, I failed to mention on the last kit that it is serged all the way around the material, around the fabric, as Joy Sunday typically is. So isn't that gorgeous? I really want to get started on this one as well. But I'll start on the other one first. Oh, let's see the pattern here. Again, it's on photo paper, photo type paper. Very clear, very clear. Oh my goodness, this one has a lot of colors. We have back stitch, full stitch. Yeah, so just full stitches and back stitches. And we have 36 colors on this one. See how clear the pattern is? Look at that. Sometimes these patterns look so good that it just look like pictures themselves. And here we go. Let's see here. Gorgeous. Oh my word. Show you down here. Oh, this is perfect. You've got your key all the way around. This is 129 width by 130 high. So it's going to be a lot of stitching, but oh, look at that. You might let me put something behind the behind it so that you can see it better. Isn't that wonderful? You can see perfectly. And this looks like a lot of confetti, but not really because it's just certain colors for the trees. Oh, I cannot wait. This is going to be so pretty and Christmassy. And yes, all the edges are serged perfectly. Typical Joy Sunday. Very clear pattern. Very clear. This one's going to be fun to work on. And as always, the material starts out stiff, so that's good for when you're stitching in hand, but it softens as you hold it more. So yay, this is going to be wonderful. Okay, and the floss. There's a lot of floss here. And each one comes with 2 needles hooked to the floss card. So look at that. 36 colors. Oh my, these are awesome. These are wonderful. And all the colors. Beautiful. Look at this. That is going to be perfect. The colors totally match the picture. Oh, I'm going to love this. This is going to be so much fun. It's gorgeous. So again, I cannot wait to start this one as well. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, this one I just unwrapped. It was wrapped up very well in here, the bubble. And it is a stitch. A stitch. What is this? A threader. A needle threader. Isn't that beautiful? Can you see the glitter? Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And it's got 2 sizes. We've got the small one, which is perfect, and the large one. And it has a magnet on the back so that I have a lamp next to where I work that's magnetic, and I'll hook it right to it. So I won't lose it. This is perfect. As I also have extra magnets so that I can add it onto my project. So isn't that perfect? And it's so pretty. And see all the sparkle. I love this. I cannot wait. And this even feels smaller than the ones that I have that I bought, just the little metal ones. So that's going to be wonderful. Yep, I love it. Love, love. Okay, and now my last one that I ordered, and this one I'm very excited about because I used to do these puzzles that look like this growing up, and each family member would get a particular part that they would get to work on. So we would always work on them together. So this brings back a lot of very good memories for me. And it is this. And I know it's an older picture, but I couldn't find it. And I found it on here. I was so excited. So for instance, one of us would work on this house. Another one would work maybe on the sky. My mom always did the sky. She said she knew that was the boring part for us and we could do it. And then sometimes if there was a different colored house over here, someone would work on that. That was very fun. It's called Comfortable Bay. It is a 14 count as well. It doesn't say the size on here. Okay. But isn't that an awesome picture? Yes. I have this in the in another kit as well. I don't know if it's Dimension. It's one of the brand kits, but it's not stamped. So I was very excited to see this in stamped. As you all know, I am loving stamped cross stitch. It helps with my eyes. It helps when I count wrong. I don't need to count. So here's the pattern. Same type of paper. That photo paper. Very clear pattern. Shows you how many pages there are. 6 pages. And there's front and back. We have full stitch. Not sure what that is. Back stitch and full stitch. How many colors are there? Appears to be 39 colors. Yep. Fun, fun, fun. I'm excited for this one. This is going to be the next big one I work on, I think. Big one, I said. Okay, so here's the pattern. Now the pattern is a bit blotchy. However, let's see here. Nope, it's just big, big areas of color. I'll show you. You can still see it perfectly. It's just big areas of color. So those are the green zeros. Can I see? Is the orange solid? Yep. And this is considered a partial because not all of it is done up here. Okay. Come down here further. Those colors are, my goodness, when people see you work on these and they don't know that this is just basically a key to follow, that those aren't going to be the colors. They always think it's going to be the colors and they're wondering, what is going on there? Isn't that perfect? I'm going to have so much fun with this. I cannot wait to work on this one. And okay, all the sides are serged as well, and you have the key listed on the side. It is large enough across the bottom that you can see exactly what number everything is. Yeah, that's perfect. And you follow the back stitch typically because you cover the back stitch up when you're stitching. Typically you follow it from your pattern inside the booklet. Okay, that looks wonderful. Let's look at these colors. Lots of colors. Oh my goodness. Look, you got your 2 needles here. Is there 2? 3 needles. We've got 3 needles here. And our floss cards. I like these kind. I don't necessarily like the ones with the slits because I like putting the floss on the cards like this. That's my preferred method. But isn't this beautiful? Let's see. Let's see with the picture. Yeah, I say that looks good. That looks perfect. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. I am so excited for this. Thank you so much, VIP Cross Stitch. They have so many things that you can choose from on their site. A lot of it is cross stitch. You can find counted and stamped cross stitch. And they even have some new arrivals that I have not come across yet. Oh, Christmas. Remember Christmas in July, everybody. Time to get your Christmas stitching going. I know I'll be working on my Christmas in July. And thank you for coming and checking out my video. I'd love it if you hit the like for me. And everyone have a great time stitching. I know I will. Thank you.